Hey merchants, imagine if you have the ability to promote your seller's product on your store homepage, product page, search page, and collection page. Well, with our sponsored product feature app, it's not just a dream, it's a reality. Now, admin can create unique promotional packages for each section, ensuring maximum exposure and engagement for every product. And sellers can purchase and utilize these packages, amplifying their product visibility, driving sales like never before to reach a new height of success. Hello, I am Ujjwal Kumar Misra and welcome back to our new video. But before moving ahead, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update.
Now let's move further and try to install the sponsored product feature app and explore the number of features in the app. To install the app, so first of all we have to open our multi-vendor marketplace app admin panel. Now from here, click on these three dots, go to feature app section. Now in this feature app section, search for sponsored product. Here is our sponsored product feature app. To use this app, click on this enable button to subscribe it. Click on enable button, accept the charges. Now after accepting the charges, you will see a message, feature has been activated. Now a sponsored product is activated on the store. After this, you will see two new submenus in your panel. First one will be seen here on these three dots, we will see sponsored. For second one, you have to go to this configuration section. From here you will see sponsored configuration. So these two new submenus will be added. Now let's check what are the features in these two submenus. In sponsored configuration, we have allow seller to enable sponsorship on product, configure your payment method. Means we have one button which after enabling this button, we will allow our seller to enable a sponsorship on product. Okay. Second is for the payment. Then this is for the environment check. But before enabling this, allow seller to enable sponsorship configuration, please create any sponsorship package or cross-check all detail to avoid any sort of conflict between admin and seller. Now another submenu is sponsored. So to create a sponsorship package, first what you need to go to this sponsored list. From here you can see that a sponsored product is visible on these four pages: home, search, product page and collection page. So if you want to show your sponsored product on home page, for this click on action, click on enable. Not enable. If you want to show on search page, click on enable search page. Show for product and collection. Now you can edit it. Sponsored section. Sponsored section means how many sections on the home page you want for your sponsored product. The maximum limit here is 5, so we'll go with 4. Number of product per section, the maximum limit is 10, so we'll go with 9. Section type, normal or scroll, go with any of these. Click on submit. If you want to add or edit same on search, product or collection page, you can do it by clicking on action, edit, and by putting the desired number. Now let us check how to create a sponsored product. For this, go to product listing. Now from here you can see a new column called as sponsored. Here you can see no in every product because none of the product is sponsored. To make it a sponsored, click on action. Here you can see enable a sponsorship. Click on this button to enable a sponsorship for this product. Enable. Now here it is asking for select the page for sponsorship. Which page do you want? Home page, search page or product page? I'll go with the home page. Price for 1 day or price per day, I'll go with $10. sponsorship for number of days. I will go with for number of days. Payment method, checkout or wallet. You can choose both. Go with checkout, click on proceed. If you want to pay this, you can pay, otherwise put it on hold. The seller will pay this and use your package. Okay, but if you want to pay and then take it back from the seller, you can do so. Okay, now it is sponsored. Okay, now if you want to enable other product too, you can do so. Click on action, then enable sponsorship, and then fill these columns. Payment method, go to with proceed. Admin can also allow seller to activate a sponsorship for their product. How? For this, as we have created the package, so go to sponsor configuration, click and enable this. Allow seller to enable a sponsorship on product. After this, click on save. Now it is enabled. You can see payment method, Shopify, PayPal. PayPal we can pay via wallet too, as we have previously seen the option for the wallet. What will be the use of this wallet? I will tell you when we'll move towards seller dashboard to see how we can create a sponsored product from the seller dashboard. Okay, for admin panel, we have few more features here. We have sponsored list, we have second the list, we have seen the list of sponsored product, how to do this. Then we have sponsored seller, the seller whose product we sponsored. So we'll give the list here. I have the list of 2 of my sellers here. Then sponsor the product which are sponsored, you'll see here. We have added 2 product and a few previous product which is unpublished, which means the payment is incomplete. So if I click on the payment and once the payment will be done, it is completed. Now if you, the admin, wants to stop the sponsorship for the product, how will you do that? For this, click on this action button. Here you will see the option of close sponsorship. When you click on this close sponsorship, the sponsorship of the product will be cancelled. Now the last option is sponsored orders. If there will be any order, so we'll see it here. You can click on here to view the order. Okay, now how from the seller panel we'll manage, as we have given the permission. So now let's move to the seller panel and check. So we are logged in as seller now. This is our seller dashboard. Now you can see one more menu is added here, named as sponsored, and we have a sponsored list, sponsored product, and a sponsored order. Sub menus here. Now we will see how it works. What are the functionalities? Click on sponsored list. You can see as it is enabled home search product by the admin. So you can see here the sponsored product. One of our sponsored product is on home page, as we have seen previously. Okay, sponsored product. So these are our sponsored product. You can close the sponsorship from here. A sponsored order. This is. Click on view to view the order. Okay. Now on a sponsored list, you have seen here add wallet amount. Total paid amount is 40 and our wallet amount is 0. So you can click on the wallet amount to add the wallet amount. Okay. Now let us see how we can show the sponsored product on the storefront. Okay. For this we have to customize our Shopify end. For this, go here, go to our Shopify store, click on customize. Now you can see here home page. Click on home page, add section, search for sponsored. You can see sponsored for section 3, 4, 1, 2. I have already added this section here, sponsor listing section 1, sponsor listing section 2. I click on sponsor listing section 3. You can see a new section is added. Okay, click on save. Okay, it's saved. Now let's see how our sponsored product look on home page. See our home page, you can see our sponsored product here. Okay,
That's all for this video. If you have any queries, you can write us at support@webkul.com or can create a ticket at webkul.newindex.com. Thank you for watching this video.